All right, I'm on with a 2 orders from Tuesday morning. Jeez, Temu. I wish it was Tuesday morning. 83 cents, and what these are supposed to do is polish because I buy silver that's not, it's cheap, so it needs to be polished. So I don't know if that'll work or not, but that's what I got. Okay, and this is just too cute. It's acrylic, but it can go in your pots, plant pots. That was $1.67. I think I got another one. And then when I go for walks, I don't always have pockets on my pants, which is annoying because I like a good pocket on my... I try to buy them with pockets, but not all of them. Anywho, enough about that. So I got this for $5.41. If I can get it out of here. Good Lord. It's just a vinyl-y. Not that excited about that. But it'll hold my phone. It's pretty, and I just need it for... I think the straps are... Yes, the straps are in here. So that's just for when I go for walks. I'll use that. Then, when I was in Leavenworth with the kids, met them to drop off Emma, my daughter-in-law, they had a rooster like this. I think it's a rooster, it's a rooster. Anyway, so I got her this. I thought, I bet I can get that on Temu. It was $10, but not $70, so, Sorry, artists. And then this is the chicken, so I thought they could go together, but it's not rusty looking. So, anyway, that's a gift. And while we're on the chicken route here... Oh, shoot, I don't have a piece of paper by me. Let me show you with this. Chicken stencil. $1.20. I'm telling you. I watched one of my videos and my tongue was sticking out the whole time. Do you guys do that? Because I'm really bad with that. Anyway, oh, that's like Larry. That's not a good choice, Kim. Anywho, it's chickens, for God's sakes. There we go. Chickens, roosters. Oh my. So got that. And that was a whopping $1.20. Oh, here's the other one. A little acrylic. And that's obviously a hummingbird. $1.62. I like to decorate. And there's keeping with the chicken. This puppy is big. It's a 12 by 12. Chicken, rooster, whatever this thing is. There we go. And that... How much was that? $1.69. I mean, seriously. So yeah, I could do that on a bag or something for them. But will I? Who knows? Okay. Let's see here. I'm really liking these bracelets. They're magnetic. I have one, though, a blue one that I wear quite a bit, but I can't get it off, so I can't get the magnet to... So these are really cool, though. They're called boho, and it was $2.47, and it just... clicks together like that. That looks small. Is that going to fit me? Getting it off, though, is really a challenge. Because there we go. Got to twist it. I got to remember that. So I got that one. And I also got, I think it's in here. Yeah, it's a pink one. So this one was $2.47. This one was $3.24. I don't know what. It's actually smaller. Probably the color or something. Anyway, isn't that pretty? I love them. So very fun, just for fun. I was going to say something bad, so I won't. I'll stop myself. Okay, and then some nails. I like the cat size, the cat eyes ones. 86 cents. So I got those. And while we're on a chicken roll, I got this. This is actually from Coca-Rosa's on their site anyway. I found it on Temu, $6.47. Not very cheap. I should have probably not done it, but I did it. Sorry for the crinkle crinkle. All right, let's look. That's the thin. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. Love it. So I think you get 2 of each. Ooh, I like that. Oh, the baby chicks. That's cute. Ooh, polka dots. Hello. These are super cute. I likey. I'm glad I got them, but, you know. I think it's cheaper at Hobby Lobby when you get the 40% off, but whatevers. Anyway, I did it, so. Oh, I like that. I like them, though, so that's the main thing, right? Oh, God. That's what counts. Uh-huh. And then I think this is like strawberry paper for $4.22. I mean, they're not, and that's at the time of purchase. And then I do the price adjustment every morning just to see. Sometimes, usually it's like a few pennies, but once in a while it'll be $1 something something. And I love this company. I like their packaging. Strawberry paper. And it's kind of a glossy. Oh, I'm surprised. Oh, I'm getting a thing from Expedia. I was watching my kids, Eric and Riley and Tori in Vienna, and the coast in Oregon on the beaches and all their fun adventures. And I was like, I really need, and poor Margaret, she can't go anywhere. I decided, and I booked a room for 3 nights for Emma and I. We're going to go at the end of August while her mom's doing her training at work. And she and I are going to road trip to the Oregon coast, see the Goonie house, watch the Goonie movie before we go, play on the beach. I got us a room on a hotel where the kids stay. I just went kind of copying their trip. But I just thought, and Emma calls me and goes, Grandma, I have a question. I go, okay. She always has questions. I said, what? And she says, are we going in a tent? I go, oh no, we're living it up right. We're gonna stay in a hotel right on the beach. It's got an indoor pool and a sauna. And she's like, oh my gosh, she's so excited. So it's about 6 weeks away though, so I told her to cool her jets. You know, it's not right away. Oops, crinkle crinkle. Let me just cut this out of here. What did I pay for this? It's a pom-pom, $2.63. Oh, isn't that pretty though? For a brace or for your phone or your... Oh yeah, I like it. I was tell people, I'm a 12-year-old stuck in a 65-year-old body. Let's see, $1.12. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, and look at that nice... Yep. And then I got earrings. I don't know if you guys are interested in all this. These were $4.80, but I get like 3 or 4 sets of them. So I always end up getting attracted to the dangles, and you know, with short hair, and I'm a casual girl usually. So I like posts. I need to get more of those, so I did that. So you get 3 pairs. Oops. And then a pink. So I think $4.80 is reasonable. And they don't bother I don't have a problem with my ears as far as, you know, cheap earrings doesn't bother me. Luckily. Okay. And again, these will all be listed below. This was $3.17, but look at this. So excited. Check this out. So, oh my gosh. It's not Winnie the Pooh, but sure looks like it. I mean, they spelled honey right, so it's not Winnie the Pooh. He spells it Hunny. Oh my gosh, you guys. They cute? What did I get? 10 of these, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 10. Cute, and more cute. Look at me using my little bowls. See? Told you I would use them. And then this is on the bee theme. Charms. Little enamel charms. Oh my gosh. So I think Emma and I will have a good time. It will be good memory making, like Margaret said. You'll make good memories. So, and then right before that, I'm going on a two-night trip to Idaho with my other kids and grandkids. So it'll be a busy August. I can talk, not. Now this one, I have, you know, sausage fingers, as I say. So like this could fit right here. My birthstone is aquamarine. So I got that. What did I pay for that? I cut $1.68. So that's why I got that polish thing. So hopefully that helps. I got 2 of these. I want $3.22, and I think they're nail art, but they're little butterflies. Cute. Very pretty. But yeah, they're just little enamel, or not enamel, acrylic, kind of. Can you see that? Let me get that really close to your face there. And that, these are, ooh, $3.22. What? Kim, what were you thinking? Okay. And then on that same, I was in resin. I think that's, they call them resin. And these, I saw somebody share, don't remember who, sorry, $1.44. By the time I see it and then order it, but look at these, I got 2 of these too. I think, yeah. Aren't they pretty? And I think they come in different colors, but I just like this would go with that. And they're iridescent, so they kind of will pick up whatever color. Pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. So there's those. Share those. Share those. Oh, more earrings. And I had this pair before, and I can't. I'm careless with them, so. They were 75 cents, so I got another set. Oh my gosh. My arthritis is not good today. Isn't that pretty? I love those. So I got those. I think we're down to the bottom here. And then tiny, tiny little, just like a teardrop type thing for $1.90 for these little tiny guys. I don't know if you can see that or if it's even important, but there we go. So, earrings, and then I got some essential oil type stuff because, oh yeah, I like the essential oils to put in my bathrooms and stuff with the little sticks, but boy, they're expensive for $17 or something. So I got this one, wasn't cheap. It was cheap, $3.18. It's a small bottle, but to put in a bottle with this little sticks. And this one was more money. It was $9.26, but it's bigger. And this one is, I think. Okay, just cut it off. You don't need the bag. Yeah. Oh yeah, gardenia. And I thought that'd be pretty. So just you put them in your any room. Obviously, I do the bathroom, but 100% essential oil, so I don't know that this one is. Anyway, I don't put it on myself. I use it for room scents. All right, that is my Temu. 2 orders, links below, prices. Leave me a like. If you have not subscribed, please do. That really helps me to keep going with all this. And yeah, let me know. Is there something on here you're going, boy, I'm going to order that now that Kim showed it. Anyway, take care, guys. Bye-bye.